Hello all, my name is Osvaldo.
My name is Iskander.
Hi, my name is Krishnashri.
We are group two and we'll be presenting the denial of service as the type of attack. Let's go to the next slide, please. So denial of service or distributed denial of service, it's a very popular, very common attack. And it's important to mention that the goal of the attack, it's not to steal data. So the purpose of the attack is to disrupt the service, eventually taking the service down, taking the service offline. It's also important to differentiate DOS and DDoS. So DOS, as you can see on the picture, it's only one system doing the attack. And DDoS, it's a more sophisticated type of attack. It involves a group of the system coordinating and performing the attack. I'm turning over to Krishna. She'll be talking about the type of DOS attack and the mitigation. Um,
Yeah,
Turning over to you, Krishna.
yeah, thank you, Osvaldo. I'm talking about the types of denial of service and the distributed denial of service attacks. So mainly we have six types of attacks. So they namely a teardrop attack, a flooding attack. Next slide. IP fragmentation attack, volumetric attack, protocol attack, and application based attack. So these are the attacks which are there in the DOS and DDoS attacks. So moving on to the next slide, we have the risk and impacts of this. So we have five types of, so we have five impacts and risks in this topic. So, namely, it is financial loss, reputational damage, operational disruption, customer dissatisfaction, and legal implications. So, my friend Eskinder will be continuing the rest.
Thank you so much, both of you. Well explained, and definitely, it's amazing, like how attackers the attack through other devices. So I'll be doing a quick demo of the ping up death attack, which is denial service. Also, on the other hand, like you have distributed denial service as well, like Osvaldo mentioned. So I'll do a quick demo. So basically. From from source to the target PC about attackers attack. So this is a simple one. The denial service used to be common attack attacking like the devices whatnot. So I'll do a quick demo. Basically, we'll be using the command line and also to check to see how like the usage of the resources that the PC is being overwhelmed when those pinged like for multiple times and also for multiple resources. So, so basically, so from the source PC, you have for example, we're gonna ping 10.10.9.7, and the T is a continuous, and also the L is like the package. Switch and also the size as well. So by doing that, not only like you ping it continuously, and also a large amount of like package you have to like apply. So that being said, this kind of uh, command is it's called the ICMP, which is the Internet Control Message Protocol. So I'll do it demo. So basically, you're gonna type, you open the command line, you're gonna type in ping 10.9.7. Once you ping that, and not only that, you just ping it once, they open a lot of command line and pinging it until like the target PCs like get overwhelmed. Basically, because you ping it. You ping it, you keep pinging it, from one device. You could do multiple the pinging, whatever, like, a couple 100 times. So basically, this is how you ping it. Um, Also, you could monitor as well to see how that resource is, like, get suffocated. When it comes to CPU, you got memory, and then ether, the Ethernet usage as well. You'll see, like, everything will be spiking, so that, like, that target device is, like, cannot be used, or any customer cannot access a device, or it could be a server or a PC. So basically, you just overwhelm it to the point, like, it's as unusable. Like, Osvaldo explained, that attackers, they're not there to steal, but, like, to just, like, make that device, like, useless, basically. So this is one example that um, like attacks either from one PC or from multiple PCs to a target. Is very sophisticated. Sometimes they deploy, like, some, like, bug to other PC around the world, and there will be, like, soldiers, like, attacking. When they're told to go attack, they attack. So it's amazing, like, when you learn about this stuff, like, it's kind of like, they're very dangerous, and they're out there just, to do their bad things. This is one example. um, Also, there is also the web server port, the attacking. Attackers will use, port 80 and also 443, and then they'll be using the edge ping switch to do that by attacking the web server. So this is just a quick example that we want to show to you. Back to Osvaldo.
Thank you, Exkinder, for the amazing presentation. Um, yes, the goal of the attack, it's not to steal data, but it's to take the service offline. And now you'll be showing live how the attack can be done. And in conclusion, denial of service, like I mentioned before, it's the goal. It's not to steal data. The goal is to take the service offline. So it's a very harmful attack if a service cannot afford to go offline. That would be very harmful for the service, for the corporation. So it's important to perform regular vulnerability assessment using DOS mitigation strategies and staying updated with cybersecurity best practice that can help against this such of attacks. This is all for us. I hope you enjoy the presentation. Have a good day.